Hey everybody, it's Guy from Louie TV, and we're going to be cooking some fat steaks today on the Pit Boss. Okay, get these out of the package. My sharp knife, my Enzo chef's knife. Thank you, honey, for Christmas. I said thank you.
You're welcome.
Get these out. This is a sharp knife. So we're just going to trim off just a little bit of fat. Stuff we don't want. Don't want to trim off too much fat just because it's, you want the fat for flavor. Just a little. How about this little guy right here in the middle? And trim him out. I don't want it. Looks nice. Just a little bit here on the end. Not much. And we still want flavor. Okay, pretty easy on the seasoning. This is 50-50 salt and pepper. We'll go ahead and put a nice blanket of snow all over it, like so. Okay, and then this is one of the few rubs I actually like from Pit Boss. It's their Chop House Steak. It's actually pretty decent. A lot of their other rubs are just gross. But this one I put just a little bit on. Sprinkle on a little bit. Okay. Just work that in a little bit. Now I still have a clean hand. So we'll do the other side. Now I have to do it left-handed. Because I got the wrong hand dirty. It's okay. Woo! Just nice snowy look. And a little bit more of the... Okay, I'm doing this left-handed now. Rub that in. And these steaks have been sitting out for a while. You want your steaks, any other meat, you don't want room temperature, but beef, it's okay with beef to do this, to make room temperature. Okay. Next we'll put them on the grill, and we're actually going to put a temp probe in these because we're going to smoke them first and then do a reverse sear. So we'll see you out there. Okay, this is the same Pit Boss that we assembled, and we have another video on that. We can put the link in the description. It's kind of raining out today, but that's okay. We're gonna cook some steaks. So we're sitting about 200 degrees because we're gonna smoke them first, and then we're gonna crank it up and do a reverse sear after. So got my Inkbird. This is a Wi-Fi thermometer, so we don't have to come outside all the time and check on it. This thing's great. We actually have 4 temp probes that you can use on it. 52 degrees out. It's magnetic. Stick it to the side of your grill. So let's get a fat one. Stick it on. Stick the temp probe right in the middle. We want to get these to be about 130 degrees, which is rare to medium rare. And then after that, we'll go ahead and do the reverse sear right here in the middle, because we can open this plate up and have a direct flame. So Let's let these smoke. What's up, everybody? Hey, I wanted to show you the app that I use, the Inkbird thermometer that I have out there is wireless, and it's this barbecue app right here, this Barbecue Go. I have an Android, but it's for Android or iOS. And see outside? It's rainy. Yeah, we cook steaks anytime because we're American. Okay, here we go. So barbecue app, Inkbird. It'll take just a second to register. Right now it's set on bratwurst, but we can change that easily. I'm clear across the house, in the front of the house, so it might take a little bit. There it is. So we'll change it. We'll do beef. We want, you see how I did that? So up here, you have beef, veal, lamb. You can set custom presets. So we'll do beef, and we'll do medium rare, which is 130 degrees. We'll set it. Right now we're at 55 degrees on the steaks. Take them up to 130, pull them off, crank the smoker up to 400, reverse sear them, and they're going to be amazing. Here we are, 129 degrees, close enough to 130 for that medium rare to medium rare. So here's some pellets. Let's pull these off. They're not going to look done, but the internal temperature is done. Hot, hot, hot. Mommy! I'm going to pull these off. Ooh, so tender. Alright, we're going to pull them off. We're going to crank this up. We're 225, 250, 300, 250, 400. So we'll come back once that hits 400 degrees. We're going to put these back on and we'll do a reverse sear, and it'll be amazing. It's been about 10 minutes. We're at 330 degrees. It's going to be good enough to sear. Open this up. Direct flame. Look, beautiful. Flip them over. Oh my gosh, look at the color on those. And just a little bit longer. Just an FYI, we did about 45 seconds on each side. 45 seconds to a minute. That's just really nice. Look at that. I think we're going to just be done. That one's ready to fall apart. Take this back down to 200, and then after it sits for about 10 minutes, we can turn it off. But let your steaks rest for at least 10 minutes to soak up those juices again. You gotta let them rest. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. We've let them rest, and hopefully you're gonna just be medium rare perfect. We did these on the Pit Boss Pro 1100. In the description, you can see us assembling it. But these are ribeyes we did on it. We did a reverse sear. We smoked them for about an hour and 20 minutes until they got to 130 degrees. And then we seared them at the end. Just cut through the whole thing. Oh my gosh. Just look at that. Tears off. Oh my gosh. That's so good. The other piece right there. Can you see that? Pink. Mmm. So awesome. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.